Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have a really interesting application that lets you make money by exercising and walking around or running if you want. Essentially you just gather steps using a tracking device like an Apple Watch or a Fitbit, and the app will track it, and over time you can earn money by betting on yourself, which I'll explain later. But before I go any further, I want to have a few announcements. So first of all, we are about to hit 100,000 subscribers, so yay us. And for that, I will be doing a giveaway. So look around for that. It'll be coming around soon, maybe once I hit around 99,000 subscribers. And that should be there. That should be coming up within like the next 2 weeks or so. Okay, and another thing that I want to say is I do have a Instagram channel, or whatever you call it now, a page. And you can see it right here. The username is mobile_merchant, and yeah, just add me on Instagram if you want. I'll be running some giveaways and other things there later, and giving some more helpful tips and tricks. So I forgot to mention this a while ago. I started it like maybe a month ago, so there it is. And yeah, just follow me if you'd like, and look out for little giveaways and other things that I'll be putting on the channel. Okay. So now the app I want to show you guys today is called, right here, it's in the top left corner of my screen, Step Bets. And when we open it up, you can see here that you'll be brought to this page where it says the way you play is you bet on yourself and you commit with real money. And then you have to keep moving to hit your goals, and the winners will cash out and split the pot. So essentially you are going to be putting some money into this app. And eventually, after you complete your challenges that they give you, then you'll be able to cash out and you'll earn some more money. So there is the potential of losing money, and I want to make that clear right now that if you don't complete the challenges that they give you, then you will lose your money. So you have to be sure to exercise. It's a good motivation booster if you're trying to lose weight or get fit, because you have some money on the line, and you can also win money if you complete the challenges. So you can see here, if you press on Let's Go, then it'll bring you to this thing that says you have to choose which device you're going to use to track your steps, because the way that they track your exercise is through your step count. So you have to use like a Fitbit, a Garmin, or an Apple Watch. So, or an iPhone too actually works. So if you press on that, then it'll say that it is creating your goals, and I guess it'll take your data that you have on your device, and it'll give you a weekly step goal. So now you can see here that my goals are 4 active days in which I get 7,500 steps on those days, and then 2 power days where you have to push yourself a little bit harder, and I'll have to get almost 10,000 steps on those 2 days. And then they give me 1 free day where I only need 0 steps, so nothing at all, so I can rest that day. And it says here how to win. Complete 4 active days and 2 power days each week for 6 weeks to split the pot. So if I do this over the course of 6 weeks, then I will finish the challenge and I will win whatever the prize is. So you can see here, then you can join a game. But before I do that, I want to go through some of the frequently asked questions so you can just see in general what the different rules are too. Actually, I want to go through the rules first. So you can see right here, it says that the step bet games vary in length, but they're always broken up into week-long increments. And during each week, you have to reach the personalized goals by the time the week ends. So you can see my goals were like the 7,000 and 10,000 steps respectively. And then in order to have your steps count toward your weekly goals, you have to sync your activity tracker with StepBet within 24 hours of the week ending. So you have to make sure your device is synced, otherwise they won't be able to track you. And the first week of each game is a warm-up week. So you will not be disqualified from winning if you don't meet your weekly goal on that first week, because it gets you used to the game format and the goals. So the verification is obviously through your device, and the weekly goals, as I said before, they're personal, so it's gonna vary by individual and like your different activity levels and abilities. And it says there the number of active and power days you need to hit each week may vary from game to game. And in order to win, you have to hit your weekly goals during every week after the warm-up week. So then you will win. And the weeks can't be made up. And if you are disqualified, then you're eligible to join a new game. But you will lose your money, as I said before, because you're betting on yourself. And then it says here the payouts. So the winnings are deposited in your account as points after a game ends. And you can use your points in future games, or you can get a PayPal payout. And the payouts become available within 48 hours of being requested. So you can expect your payouts within 2 days. And you can't have it blah 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 on a credit card. So there's that. And then it says here the bets have to be paid up front, and the bet amount for each game is set by the organizer, and you can pay via PayPal, credit card, or with winnings from other games. So obviously you're going to be betting on yourself, so you have to put money in first before you can win more money out of it. And then you can get refunds up to day 7. These are the different trackers that they have, and the steps they have to be tracked in your activity tracker. You can only play one game at a time, so you can't do like 10 different games. I guess that would be hard too, because you have to get steps for each game. But yeah, you can't do that. And so yeah, those are the basic rules. Here's some frequently asked questions, because it can be a little bit confusing sometimes. So it says here, StepBet is a fitness game that motivates you to be more active, and you bet on yourself to meet your personalized step goals during every week, and you win money if you do. And you get cash prizes, you get accountability, and community support to help you become more active. So in order to win money, you have to hit your goals, obviously. So you split the pot with the other winners, so you get your bet back plus a small profit for all the people that didn't complete their goals. So how much you have to bet? Most bets are going to be $40, but it does vary. But it says there, putting your own money on the line has been shown to be a very powerful motivator for exercise. So you also get the benefit of getting fit. How long is the game? So most games are 6 weeks long, but it can also vary from week to week. And it says here that StepBet uses the proven power of achievable goals, accountability, and financial motivation to help you take more steps every week. It helps you maintain your motivation to lose weight or to get fit, because financially, it puts a financial risk on your exercise. So I guess it's been shown to help out with exercising. I guess they've done like research studies on that. And yeah, I mean, it makes sense to me. So it says there, how do you play? You have to get your goals, so tap on join game, and then you're gonna have to place your bet to join a game, and then you have to step your steps. And during each week, you have to hit 4 active days and 2 power days, with 1 free day for most games. Some games are different. But if you miss your weekly goal, then you're out of the running, and you will lose whatever you bet. It says there that your active and power goals are calculated by using your history for steps and whatever from your activity tracker. And in some versions of the game, the goals may incrementally increase week after week. So it's not always going to be the same goals every week. Sometimes it may go up and up, which I guess is good because it encourages you to become more fit, as the whole point of this app is, besides the money-making aspect. So if you've already hit all your power days for the week and you get another power day, will account as an active day. So yes, if you hit all your power days and you still have active days to hit, additional power days will count towards your active days. So they have a zero tolerance policy for cheating. So if you're found to be cheating or falsifying steps, then you will be immediately removed from the game. So they connect directly to your activity tracker to get the valid counts. So make sure that you're actually walking or running yourself, not using some sort of hack. I don't know how you'd hack it, but don't do it. Once again, these are the different activity trackers that work, so make sure you have one of these in order for you to be able to use this app. And if your activity tracker doesn't capture your steps one day, then unfortunately you won't be able to continue in the game, because you need to be able to have the steps to be tracked in order for them to verify that you're actually doing the work. So they won't be able to reverse your disqualification if your activity tracker dies or whatever one day. So make sure it's just always charged and always on you every day. And if the steps in the tracker and StepBet don't match, then you will be able to contact StepBet, and they'll have some people work with you and potentially fix it if there really is an issue. So yeah, I mean, there's other things here. You can see here, one important thing is that StepBet does keep 15% of the pot to cover different fees and blah blah blah. The rest of it is earned by all the game winners. And if everybody wins a StepBet game, they do have a no loss guarantee, so you'll never lose money if you reach your goal. So if there is a unusually high percentage of winners, then they'll forfeit their portion of the pot to ensure that all winners get their money back. So you'll never ever lose your money if you finish all your goals. The worst thing that'll happen is you'll get all your money back, but you won't have a profit. So I guess it depends on how many people are motivated to complete all their challenges. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's the basics for this app. So yeah, like I said here, these are my goals. And if I press on join a game, then you can see here I am gonna start this game, which is called Goal Crushers, and it currently has 666 players. Ooh, that's an unlucky number. With a $40 bet, and the current pot is at $26,640. So you can see here that the game runs from June 11th to July 22nd. It's a 6-week game. It's currently in the warm-up week, and you can see here these are my targets that I have to hit every week. And like it says, everyone that hits their targets will win and split the pot. So yeah, you just press on join game, and then you'll have to, oops, sorry for that. So you're gonna have to then make an account. So let me do that real quick, and then I'll come back to you guys when I finish. So yeah, you can see here that now you're gonna be asked to pay your bet. And there's two ways that you can pay. One is through your credit card or debit card, and one is through PayPal. So just pick your preferred payment method, and after that, you'll join the game. And from there, you're gonna just have to complete your different steps that they gave you. And once you complete the 6-week course, then you're gonna be able to claim your share of the prize. So just hope that the people in your group, in your game, a lot of them don't complete the 6 weeks, so that then you get even more of the profits. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this app, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.